Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you that how can you fix this broken lamp and how can you lit it. So as you can see, this part here, this is broken. So the switch is broken. So what I did, I used this kind of hanger. So what is going to happen, if you pull it, so the switch is going to be on. If you leave it, it's going to be off. So if you stretch it, it is going to be on. So now as you can see here, it's not remain on. So what I did, you have to take this kind of heavy thing and just tie it like this. So I use this baseball ball, and what I'm going to do, so as you can see here, I'm going to make a round knot so that I will get this kind of thing, and I'm going to hang this out here. So as you can see, if you hang it out like this, so the light is going to be on, and what I say, without any expense, you can use the things which you have and you can make it as a switch. I hope it's a good idea. I think so. Whatever. So I hope it will be helpful to save money of yours, and I would like to tell you that please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Till then, Alt F